Hello friends and welcome back again. Today let's learn the fruits and vegetables. So we will learn the colors of the fruits and the names of the fruits and vegetables. So here you can see all the fruits and vegetables here in front of you. This is watermelon. There is black color here and the whole outer layer is green color and inside is red color and the black color seeds. So this is watermelon. Pear, green color. Strawberry, red color and the leaf is green color. Strawberry. Again strawberry, red color. Banana, yellow color and the green color at the top, the body is yellow color. Capsicum, green color. Lemon, yellow color. Pear, yellow color. Again watermelon, outer layer is green, dark green and black color, and inside is red color and the black color seeds. Watermelon, green and black and red color. Corn, yellow color. Again corn, yellow color and the green color leaf. Corn. Orange, orange color. Strawberry, red color and the top leaves is green color. Brinjal, you can also say the eggplant. Brinjal is purple color. Potato, brownish color or yellowish color. Potato, it's a vegetable. Broccoli, dark green color. Star fruit, green color. Capsicum again is dark green color. Pineapple, green color leaf and yellow color pineapple. Grapes, purple color. Again grapes, dark purple color. Dark purple color. Again brinjal or the eggplant, purple color and the leaf is green color. Tomato, red color. Red capsicum. Apple, red color apple and inside is peach color. Apple. Cucumber, green color, dark green color cucumber. Custard apple, green color and orange color. So guys, thank you so much for watching and learning the color and the names of the fruits and vegetables. Please subscribe to the channel for more kids learning videos. Thank you so much.